Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the local backup file is present on your Oneplus. Open Files and locate the backup folder. Once done, note the backup date so you pick the right file. Make sure your phone is on charger and at least 50% battery to prevent shutdowns mid-restore. Unlock the device and temporarily disable complex locks if necessary, because the restore process can require repeated confirmations. Now navigate to Settings to start the restoration. You should now open Settings, go to System, then Backup, and choose Local Backups. Select the backup you verified earlier and tap Restore. The phone will apply settings first, then reinstall apps and restore media. While apps may re-download from the Play Store, keep Wi-Fi enabled to speed this up. Watch the progress indicators and accept any permission prompts. If an app asks to sign in again, provide credentials. Once the core restore finishes, you move to final cleanups. You wrap up by checking essential data, contacts, messages, photos, and app-specific settings to confirm the restore completed. If something is missing, make sure the backup file matched the required Android version. Then clear Google Play Store cache and retry app downloads, signing in where needed. Restart the device to finalize system services and re-enable your lock screen. One key troubleshooting tip: if restore stalls, move the backup to internal storage root and try the restore again after a reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.